Founded in 1921 as a tool-making company, Weiner & Brown has continued to grow. A big part of our history are our iconic torque wrenches. The deflecting beam torque wrench was developed and patented by Weiner & Brown in 1948. Still today, the deflecting beam torque wrench is manufactured here in Australia. Let's take a look at how the deflecting beam torque wrench is produced. As you can see, great care and the highest quality materials are used to create our torque wrenches. What we have now are long-lasting precision tools that continue to be made right here in Australia.